Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is, it's a data, or we can say the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata descriptors or annotations to provide context, meaning, or structures to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labeled datasets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories, such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification, labels, sentiment analysis labels, or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines, standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high-quality labeled datasets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So, without any special skills, you can earn money on Fiverr through data annotation. Involves offering your services as a freelancer, your or to annotate or level data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is create a Fiverr account and start offering your services. As you can see, here we have a small number of results. So, comparing with other services, for example, so here we have, for example, the services. Let's see where we have. So let's choose that one, logo design. As you can see, here we have a lot of offers. So over 240,000 result. I mean, over 240,000 offers. So it's really a strong competition. So let's see what we got here. For example, another one. Here we have video editing. So it's 69 or over 69,000 offers. That mean really it's strong competition. So as I said, you can start as a data annotator, but how? The only thing you have to do is open your web browser and then you will go to fiverr.com. Then it will lead you to this home page, and then you have two ways. First way is go to EI services, and the second way, scroll down and the offers will appear. Then you will go to data and especially data analysis, and you will select data annotation, and then we have these offers. So with or you don't have to need any advanced coding skills. If we scroll down, you'll know that it's possible to earn money by offering these services. As you can see, the minimum amount is $5, and we can find $35, $20, $10, and why not? You can find $100. So it depends on how much offer not offer how much services you get, and how much time you need to finish this job. So to more understand, let's choose an example. I already choose it, so we have that one. So the title is I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life. So as we can say, or as a data annotators, it will be your task is labeling items, images as example videos by working or marking these objects or drawing circles, squares around them. for charge, as we can see here, we have $5 for 400 pound boxes and delivery in 1 day. The standard one is $40 and delivery in 2 days for 3,600 bounded boxes, and the premium one, it's the most expensive, $125 from 10,000 bounded boxes in 6 days delivery. So it's really something. um we can find the same offers, but be sure that you will not find the same details here. So it's depend, as I mentioned, how much you need, how much time you need to finish this job, and also how much bounding boxes you can get. Then you can choose the amount. So to more understand, you can just go over here. This one, the second example. So as we said, there's did not the same details and the same information. So here we have $200 for 10,000 bounding boxes and delivery 5 days. And for the standard one, $80 for 1,000 bounding boxes for 2 days delivery. And the basic one is $5 for 100 bounding boxes 1 day delivery. So as we can see, 205 days, and here we have $125 in 6 days. So as we said, it's depend. So you can start as a data annotator without any special skills, and you can just learn the basic thing by research data annotation. So you can find a lot of platform, you can learn from it the basic thing that you need to get started. So there is another platform as well as Fiverr. So here we have ODB. So this is how you can start as a freelancer here. So you can just select over here, and then you will get jobs, and then you will start earn money. And here we have Toluca. It's another platform to get started as a freelancer or as a data annotator to get money. So you can just click over here, login, and then you will get I'm ready to earn money. We'll start over here, and then you will sign up with Google or with Facebook, and you will start as a freelancer. So what are you waiting for? Go and start as a data annotator. It's really a easy service. You can start with it and you can start earn money. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.